Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. Today the theme is a tag and it's poinsettia. So this is the 25 Christmas countdown craft along with my crafty styles. Go over and check out what she created. So I went through my stuff. I have all my little ephemera pieces in these bags. It's all Christmas, guys. It's a wonderful life. Let me go through. And I already went through, but I thought I'd share. This is what I buy. You can put it in. I just look here. Let's see. I might need that. You know, I just kind of go see. I save Christmas tags that drop like this. Let's see. Who's this from? Merry Christmas. Oh, this was from my old landlord. Isn't it cute? So I kept it. You know, I keep everything. And I just put it in here. And then I go and I look around and, ooh, get there. Green one, and see what I got. I already picked out a few pieces earlier, but I thought I'd just share with, you know, like these, the poinsettia that I got out already. They're actually to and from tags, but aren't they gorgeous? So, and let's see, what's in this one? I stuck the envelope in here with some goodies into. Santa's in there, some tags. You never know what you're gonna find. Yep. Oh, okay. And another one. So let's see what we can create. Alright. Oh, and I also put this pack just in case for a saying on it. Oh, and I have this. I thought this was so pretty. I already know what I'm doing with that. The rest I have no idea. So let's go. So I got these, and now that I found these are cool. So maybe we'll put the red one kind of like, actually I want to do, I always like, this may seem weird to use, but I always like putting the tassel in first. I like putting tassels on my tags. I notice a lot of people don't do that. I do it. I like adding tassels. So this actually came like this, and I just cut little strips and ripped it. So what I'm going to do is just put it in the center again. I pinch, put it through the hole, and if I get lucky, sometimes I don't. I think we've all experienced that a few times on here already. Bring this all through, like so. Try to get them all, and then I just kind of start pulling. How they kind of all flatten out. Oops, see, I pulled that one right out. That's alright. Trying to get this big one, whatever this one is. Oops, right here. There we go. Now I'll just take this, I'll slip it in there. I don't need it. But I want the bells, and the bells, they were alright. Oh, here we go. See? Well, yeah, we're going to put this through the bells. And I'm just going to go through again. I'm just going to tie a little knot somehow. There we go. Another little one. Yeah, that worked out good. Then I'm going to take this poinsettia, and that's going to go right there. And I got my hot glue already. I'm on the balls today. I'm just going to put that on the top. Press down. It's pretty. I like that. There we go. So with the bells. I want to off there. Bells down also. Put it right there. On the bells. Okay. Now I'll move that one. I'll cut this one. Oh, we got this. I actually think I'm only going to use one, but I forgot something I want to do. Okay, See, I get going and forget what I want to do. So I need to get one of my paint markers. And I want to do just a little, I'm going to do line, dot, line, dot, line, dot, line, and dot, line, dot, line, dot. There we go. Just needs something going around it. Now, what I'm thinking, where is this one? I like this one. This is Merry Christmas. And I'm really digging this. I think this is too big actually, so let's see. We got holiday cheer. Oh, I like that holiday cheer. Put the point like that. Or do I want to use the green one? Or do I want to use this one? Take that right off the board. Nope. So it's a toss-up between these two. So I think both of them are too much. Yeah. So I really dig in the red. Let's see. We got Merry and Bright. Ooh, I like Merry and Bright too. This one, what I'm thinking of doing, because it's so big, I really want a Merry Christmas. So what I'm thinking about doing is I'll just trim it down some and see what it looks like trimmed a little bit. Just okay. Oh, well, I got this all on there. That. I'm liking the Merry Christmas more than I like this one. Yeah, I like the Merry Christmas. So we're going to put Merry Christmas and we're going to put the poinsettia. Just like so. We'll tilt the Merry Christmas this way. Oh, I like it like that. There we go. Perfect. Okay, glue. And actually, I'm going to trim around the poinsettia as well. Just on the edge. Oh yeah, this is one of the tags. Okay. Oh yeah, that looks a lot better. Okay. And hey, my fingers. That. And the Merry Christmas. Oh, it's smeared a little bit, but that's alright. I can fix it later. There we go. I know, it turned out good. Let's put these away. When I read a poinsettia today, because I looked the day of, I mean, I kind of glanced the whole list, but then when it comes to the certain day I look, I was like, poinsettia. And then it dawned, and then I remembered, and it dawned on me, I had these. So, got out the good ephemera bag, as I call it. And here we go, guys. Oh, I wanted to fix that. So, I got a little marker here. Just come in here and try to get it cleaned up if I can. If not, I don't worry about stuff like that. I just kind of clean it, maybe blend it if I can, but sometimes you just can't. Oops, I'll pick that up later. So here is day 16, guys. Day 16. Wow. So, this is Merry Christmas. Got a poinsettia there, a little poinsettia there, a poinsettia there, and my card jingles. or not my card, my tag jingles. So go and make sure that you go see my crafty styles and see what you came up with today. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now, and Merry Christmas.